Hello everyone, my name is Push Patel and today in this video we are solving LeetCode problem number 2520. In this question we are given count digit that divide a number. Okay, so in this question we are given an integer num. Return the number of digits in num that is divide num. An integer val divides num if num's percentage val equal to 0. So this is for just a reference. Here are some examples. So we are given num and output is 1. So because 7 is divided by itself. So in this basically we are given a num integer. We have to see if each individual digit of that number is divisible by if number is divisible by that individual digits or not. How many digits are divisible by that number? So we have to count that and return it at the last. So let's try to solve this. So firstly, I will make an integer where I can save number because I have to get the percentage means digit 2 and also divide it by that number. So and another integer for saving our count. So that will save our count how many digits are divisible by number. We will use while loop here where if n is greater than 0, then this loop will run. And here, first we will get its digit, which will be num. We can use num here and also uh, original digit here, percentage to 10. Then we will use condition. uh, If original num divides by its current digit, then we will increase our count. Uh, at the last, we have to divide our num so we can get another digit in the next iteration. At the last, we will just simply return our count. Here our integer is num. So this is very easy question to solve. You must try it once. So as you can see, our all three example cases are accepted. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so our question is submitted and our solution beats 99.59% of solution and uses 0 millisecond of runtime. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.